What's poppin', you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how I wand curl my wigs, how you can also wand curl weaves and even natural hair with this method. I got my wand curler from Burlington. Yes, it was like $14 and I got it a year ago and it hasn't broke, it hasn't exploded on me thus far. But you can find cheap alternatives almost anywhere. You don't have to buy like the expensive name brand ones. You can easily go to Burlington, TJ Maxx, your local chink store, and get it for cheap. But I start off with brushing the hair out completely, making sure there's no lumps and bumps, and then I wrap the curl around the wand. I try and make sure that the hair is as flat as it can be around the wand, and I hold it. I don't really have a particular time frame, especially since I was rushing in this video. I was just doing how I usually do. Normally, I would wand the curl per usual, and then once I let it go, like right now, I will hold the curl just so I can lock in that heat and lock in the actual definition. Wow, I am really munching in this video. But lock in the actual definition of the curl so it can stay exactly how I want it to be and it doesn't loosen up or anything. Oh wow, I just burned myself. Once I get to the front, I try and pay really close attention and use smaller sections so it can be a little bit more defined, a little bit more curly, and really shape my face how I want it to be. I am struggling with this girl right now. But I ensure that it looks good, and if I keep messing up, I redo it over and over again. Except this time, y'all see, I just completely gave up. Now that I'm done with the first half of my head, I'm gonna, show you guys how it looks, see the curl pattern, and I'm gonna skip ahead. Normally, I don't curl my own hair. I usually get my roommate at school to curl my hair for me. Because some way, somehow, she has the magic touch and she gets it so much curlier than I do. But this is the finished look. I usually comb out my curls either with a comb, but since I didn't have a wide tooth comb, I just used my fingers. And this is really the finished look, you guys. You see the back is a little bit more loose just because I didn't hold it out as long. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.